you're driven like a horse. Yeah. Even though like an elephant, you stop at no obstacles, whatever it is. But how do I make you understand? And what is it that I have to make you understand? Oh my mind, oh my heart.
Aare dil, mere man, aare dil. प्रेम नगर का अंत ना पाया, प्रेम नगर का अंत ना पाया, जो आया वो जाएगा। सुन मेरे साजन, सुन मेरे मीता, सुन मेरे साजन, सुन मेरे मीता, इस जीवन में क्या क्या बीता, सिर पे भारी बोझा लेना, सिर पे भारी बोझा लेना, आगे कौन उतारेगा। सुन मेरे साजन, सुन मेरे मीता, दूज किनारे मेरा मीता खड़िया, दूज किनारे मेरा मीता खड़िया, उसे मिलन का ध्यान न धरिया, टूटी नाव ऊपर जो बैठा, टूटी नाव ऊपर जो बैठा, गाफिल गोता खाएगा। सुन मेरे साजन, सुन मेरे मीता, दास कबीर कहे समझाए, दास कबीर कहे समझाए, अंत काल तेरा कौन सहाय, चला अकेला संग न कोई, चला अकेला संग न कोई, अपना किया ही पाएगा। सुन मेरे साजन, सुन मेरे मीता, सुन मेरे साजन, सुन मेरे मीता।
Fighting with the mind, goading the mind, instructing the mind, nothing works. Here Kabir Das ji says, I've been a slave. Are dil, mere man, oh my mind, oh my heart, prem nagar ka ant na paya. You do not know the secret of this Amarpur. You do not know the secret of the world of love. Prem nagar ka ant na paya. You did not understand. And jo aaya, tyo jayega. You came ignorant. Yeah. You went ignorant. You came ignorant about what is love. And you went, not experiencing this love, searching for this love from those who themselves are seeking love. how can you get love from those who are seeking love? Prem Nagar ka ant na paya. This Amarpur is the world of love. And where there is love, there is happiness. Yeah. And where? So Prem Nagar ka ant na paya. Jo aaya, tyo jayega. Yeah. As you came, so will you go. मुट्ठी बांध कर आया जग में, हाथ पसारे जाएगा. Only difference is in the posture of your body, but the truth is you came empty-handed, you go empty-handed. You came wanting and craving, you go wanting and craving. You came with a bundle of desires, bundle of vasanas, bundle of the results of karmas, actions. And as you came, so shall you go. You came heavy, you go heavy. Therefore, sun mere sajan, sun mere meeta. Listen, my beloved mind. Listen, my friend. या जीवन में क्या क्या बीता? Introspect, reflect. What all has happened in this life? You might be a youngster. She may have not yet broken your heart, or he may not have broken her heart yet. Yeah. But how many friends have you lost? Yeah. How many relatives have you lost? How many colleagues have you fought with? How many friends do you have as you grow older and approach death? No one. सुन मेरे साजन सुर मेरे मीता, ये जीवन में क्या क्या बीता. And what all we have gone through, the trials, the tribulations, the ups and downs, the loss and profits, success and failure, heartbreaks, and friendships, and again heartbreaks. सिर पाहन का भोजा लीना. Carrying a mountain on your head. Carrying a load of stones on your head. सिर पाहन का बोझा लीला. आगे कौन उतारेगा? So heavy are you loaded, with so much baggage that no coolie is going to carry it for you, and no taxi. Some of you are already facing, no, when you came here. No taxi was ready to take you because look at the amount of baggage you have. And you don't unload it. You take some more with you. सिर पे भारी बोझा लीना, आगे कौन उतारेगा? Who is going to take that load of you? You think that after this death, this load is going to go off? Who there? If here no friend is ready to take your loads, to carry your baggages, you only have to carry your baggage, and who do you think will carry it when you go alone to the other side? And what is this other side? दूजे किनारे मेरा मीता खड़िया. My real friend, my beloved, is on the other shore. Waiting, calling, beckoning you. That where are you going searching for me? Where are you going finding me? Where are you going finding for happiness, for love? When I, your friend, your beloved, I'm waiting for you. Moko kahan dhoonde re bande? In selfish people, you look out for friendship. In needy people, you look out for relationships. In the ever-changing world, you look out for something permanent. In the selfish world, you look out for love. But my beloved stands on the other shore, waiting for me. Usse milan ka dhyan na dhariya. Never thought of going and meeting the beloved on the other shore. उसे मिलन का ध्यान न धरिया. टूटी नाव ऊपर जो बैठा गाफिल गोठा खाएगा. On a broken boat, or a cracked boat, or boat with cracks, and you keep sitting on the shore, then the waves that hit the shore on which you are, all that you will do is gotha khayega. You'll be just buffeted back to the shore, a little into the smooth waters, and again buffeted back to the shore. And just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth on the tides of life. टूटी नाव ऊपर जो बैठा गाफिल गोथा खाएगा. सुन मेरे साजन, सुन मेरे मीता. And Kabir says to his own mind, to his own heart, दास कबीर कहे समझाई, अंत काल तेरा कौन सहाई. A friend is there in need. A friend is there at all times. But ask yourself, who is your friend? Who is going to go with you? What are you going to take with you? Will the medical doctors be able to help you? Or take you through the ambulance on the other side? Yeah. Oh mind, think. दास कबीर कहे समुझाई रे. Ask yourself, अंत काल तेरा कौन सहाय. चला अकेला संग न कोई. You have to go alone. अपना किया ही पाएगा. And what you will get is what you have done. Your karmas only go with you. What you did or what you did not do in this life, that results only you have to bear. तो अरे दिल मेरे मन. अरे means that friendship. अरे अरे यार. You are my friend. But our real beloved and friend is waiting on the other shore. Are you not ready? At least look. Just give one glance. Yeah? If you can't, then look. Who is your friend in this world? And if you don't find any, at least look on the other shore. Who knows that enchanter, that friend of all friends? You do not know the secret of this Amarpur. You do not know the secret of the world of love. प्रेम नगर का अंत न पाया. You did. दूजे किनारे मेरा मीता खड़िया. My real friend, my beloved, is on the other shore. Waiting, calling, beckoning you. That where are you going searching for me? Where are you going finding me? Where are you going finding for happiness, for love? That lover of the cows, the protector of the cows, the friend of the gopas, the beloved of the gopis, the friend of Arjuna, the one who is ready even the battlefield to become the charioteer, one who will never abandon you. And therefore, one beautiful story footprints in the sands. Many of you must have heard it. No? That one day, a man who was dying turned around and he could see his own life, the footprints that he has left behind, and saw that along with his footprints, there was always one footprint that was always with him, beside him. He said, "Who is this?" The voice said, "I'm your friend. I'm God." And then he noticed that there are certain places where the footprints are not there. No footprints are there. Not even those that were there, and including this one which was constantly there. That beloved, that lover, that friend awaits you, and you do not even look towards that friend. At least give that glance. Yeah. Once, even once. And those who were there for Gopika Geet, those who were not there, get Gopika Geet. How this Gopi neither showed her face nor wanted to hear about this mischievous boy who steals away the clothes of the gopis, who steals away the butter, and whom all these other foolish girls abandon everything and run towards. And all this time, she never would hear his name. She would never see him. Even if the call of his flute would be there, she would, with the noise of the vessels of the house and the duties that she did, she tried to clamor it so that she doesn't even hear it, because her mother had warned it, "Tu ek baar uski bansi ki dhun sunegi, to tu gayi kaam se." Ghar chhod chhad kar jayegi. Haven't seen these youngsters? Every year, global chick camp. Wait till your children will say the same. Once, just once. And he's calling out to her, "Hey Gopi, hey Gopi, hey Gopi." Just once. Let me see you. Yeah. Just let me see you so that you will see me. But once. Ghungat ke pat khol. Just once. But she kept herself covered, never wanted to. Till when the rains came falling, there was flood. Everybody, including her husband, her mother-in-law, father-in-law, everybody ran away, and she was left alone to drown in the flood, when somebody said, "That mischievous one has lifted the mountain," and calling everyone, "Come, come, 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 come." She has no other choice. She goes running there, and when she sees for 7 days and night, he has been holding the mountain. Who has been our friend? Who has been protecting us? Yeah. She throws open her veil, she goes, calling out to him. She has not even heard his name. She just knows the mischievous boy. But she is the one who finds that he is Giridhari. "Hey Giridhari, one who's holding the mountains, look towards me, look towards me, look towards me." But then she doesn't get, because in between there's an ocean of people. Or she's married to the beloved, and for some reason she has to come back to her Maika. She has to come to her father's home. And these saints, sages on the Bhakti Marg, considered themselves to be the bride, the gopi, the lover. And Bhagwan as their beloved. And love alone, that aradhana alone, that wanting alone, can drive that dhara to be Radha. So, even once,